Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Pragyan Jyoti. In this video, we are going to discuss about some important question of teaching aptitude for NTA UGC NET exam. Before we begin with it, if you are new to my channel, subscribe my YouTube channel for latest update. Let's begin with the very first unit today, and that is teaching aptitude. Now coming on to the very first question. Our first question is, education is a powerful instrument of options are social transformation, personal transformation, cultural transformation, or all of the above. What would be the right answer? The right answer is all of the above. Next question. What is the meaning of teaching aptitude? Options are love for money, love for profession, command and position, or all of the above. The right answer is love for profession. Moving on to the third question. Education is the manifestation of perfection already in man, was stated by M.K. Gandhi, R.N. Tagore, Swami Vivekananda, or Sri Aurobindo. What would be the right answer? The right answer would be Swami Vivekananda. Moving on to the next question. The most important quality of a good teacher is sound knowledge of subject matter, good communication skill, concern for student welfare, or effective leadership qualities. The right answer would be sound knowledge of subject matter. Next question. Which one of the following considered a sign of motivated teaching? Options are students asking questions, maximum attendance of the students, pin drop silence in the classroom, or students asking notes. The right answer is student asking questions. Next question. The psychological aspect of classroom are best managed by classroom teacher, the subject teacher, the principal, or the student themselves. The right answer would be the class teacher. Our next question. Which of the following is not a prescribed level of teaching? Options are memory, understanding, reflective, or differentiation. Right answer would be differentiation. Next question is, which one of the following is the most important quality of a good teacher? Options are punctuality and sincerity, content mastery, and reactivate, content mastery and sociable. The right answer would be content mastery. Our next question is, a teacher in the class should keep the pitch of his voice high enough, low, moderate, sometime low and sometime high. What would be the right answer? The right answer would be high enough. Moving on to the next question. The best educational program is the one which is framed keeping in the mind the need of the child, interest of the child, ability of the child, need of the society in addition to all these. The right answer would be interest of the child. Next question. The students learn best by listening, reading, doing, or seeing. The right answer is doing. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following is not an aspect of learning? Options are elimination of errors, accumulation of knowledge, modification of behavior, or sensitization of nerves. The right answer would be sensitization of nerves. Next question. Use of the telecast materials increase retention of power, reduce the burden of teachers, enhances the concentration and learning, or all of the above. The right answer would be enhances the concentration and learning. Our next question is, which of the following is the highest level of cognitive ability? Options are knowing, understanding, analysis, or evaluation. The right answer would be evaluation. Next question. Which of the following is not a characteristic of good achievement test? Options are reliability, objectivity, ambiguity, or validity. The right answer would be ambiguity. Our next question is, which of the following is a teaching aid? Options are working model of wheel mill, tape recorder, 16 film projector, or all of the above. What should be the correct option here? The correct option is all of the above. Moving on to our next question. By which of the following method the true evaluation of student is possible? Options are evaluation at the end of the course, evaluation twice in a year, continuous evaluation, formative evaluation. The right answer would be continuous evaluation. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following is not based on which good evaluation written material? Options are comprehension of subject, logical presentation, ability to write what is read, or linguistic expression. What should be the correct option here? The correct option is option number 1, comprehension of subject. Moving on to our next question. Attitude of the teacher that affects teaching pertains to affective domain, cognitive domain, cognitive domain, or psychomotor domain. What should be the correct option here? The correct option is affective domain. Our last question. Micro teaching is more effective during presentation for teaching practice, during teaching practice, after the teaching practice, or always. What would be the right answer? The right answer is during presentation for teaching practice.